The world of stock markets is no stranger to dramatic rises, yet the recent performance of Newsmax stock has stunned even seasoned investors. Since its initial public offering on March 31st, 2025, the stock has experienced an unprecedented surge. Closing at over $82 per share on its first trading day, it continued its upward trajectory. By April 1st, 2025, the stock price had reached an astounding $237.72. This represents a gain of over 1,123% in a matter of days. The surge has left many wondering about the driving forces behind this phenomenal growth. This rapid ascent is reminiscent of the meme stock frenzy that captivated markets in recent years. Companies like GameStop and AMC experienced similar parabolic rises fueled by social media hype and retail investor enthusiasm. Newsmax's surge, while astonishing, seems to be following a similar pattern. The question remains, can this growth be sustained, or is it a bubble waiting to burst? Newsmax's IPO was met with significant interest from investors. The company, seeking to capitalize on its growing presence in the conservative media landscape, offered shares at an initial price of $10. The IPO raised a respectable $75 million for the company. However, the initial offering price proved to be a mere fraction of what investors were willing to pay. The stock's performance on its first trading day was nothing short of extraordinary. The price surged throughout the day, driven by a wave of buying pressure. This enthusiastic response from investors signaled a strong belief in Newsmax's potential for future growth. The first day close of over $82 per share set the stage for the continued surge in the following days. In the realm of cable news, Newsmax is a relatively small player compared to established giants like Fox News. Data from Nielsen reveals a stark contrast in viewership numbers. Newsmax, while boasting the fourth largest cable news audience in the U.S., attracts an average of 211,000 daytime viewers and 309,000 primetime viewers. In contrast, Fox News commands a significantly larger audience with 3.1 million primetime viewers. This disparity in viewership raises questions about the sustainability of Newsmax's stock price. While the network has experienced some growth in recent years, it remains a distant competitor to Fox News. Whether Newsmax can continue to attract a larger audience and close the gap with its rivals remains to be seen. Newsmax CEO Christopher Ruddy exudes confidence in his company's future prospects. He views Newsmax as a growth stock, poised for continued expansion in the media landscape. Ruddy attributes the recent investor interest to viewers' preference for Newsmax's brand of news coverage. He believes that this preference will translate into sustained growth for the company. "We are seeing a shift in the media landscape," Ruddy stated in a recent interview. "Viewers are looking for alternatives, and Newsmax is well positioned to capitalize on this trend." His optimism is palpable, and he envisions Newsmax achieving higher valuations in the future. Newsmax's unwavering support for former President Donald Trump has been a defining characteristic of the network. This close alignment with the former president has undoubtedly played a role in the recent stock surge. Trump-linked media companies have experienced a surge in popularity and valuation since his departure from office. Newsmax's coverage often echoes Trump's rhetoric and provides a platform for his allies. This strategy appears to be resonating with a segment of the population, translating into increased viewership and investor interest. The Trump effect on Newsmax's stock price is undeniable, but its long-term impact remains to be seen. While Newsmax's stock price has skyrocketed, the company's financial performance paints a more nuanced picture. In 2024, Newsmax reported a nearly 27% increase in total revenue, a positive sign of growth. However, this revenue growth was accompanied by a 71% surge in net losses, which exceeded $72 million. This discrepancy between revenue growth and mounting losses raises concerns about the company's long-term profitability. While Newsmax is attracting viewers and generating revenue, its expenses are outpacing its earnings. Whether the company can achieve sustainable profitability remains a significant question for investors. Newsmax's Meteoric stock price has propelled its market capitalization to an astounding $15.6 billion. This valuation places the company among some of the largest media conglomerates, despite its relatively small viewership and financial performance. This discrepancy has ignited concerns about potential overvaluation. The Motley, a respected financial analysis firm, has expressed reservations about Newsmax's stock. While acknowledging the company's recent growth, the Motley Fool's stock advisor team has refrained from recommending Newsmax as one of its top investment picks. This cautious stance reflects the uncertainty surrounding the company's ability to justify its current valuation. The dramatic rise of Newsmax stock is a captivating story of growth, speculation, and potential risk. While the company has tapped into a segment of the market hungry for its brand of news, its long-term success hinges on its ability to translate viewership into sustainable profitability and justify its current valuation. Only time will tell whether Newsmax can maintain this momentum or if its meteoric rise will ultimately be remembered as a cautionary tale of market exuberance. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more videos and updates like this.